What is up, good people? Welcome back to my channel. I'm back at you with an update on the Tectonic Finance token, that is ticker symbol Tonic. Before we get into it, definitely consider subscribing to stay up to date and ahead of the game on all things cryptocurrency and cryptocurrency related. Smash that like button to help us gain some promotion. The more you like it, the more it's gonna pump this project out into more eyeballs, more exposure. The more exposure we get, the bigger fire we light. Alright, I gotta let you know that I'm not a financial advisor and nothing I say is financial advice. I'm just giving you my opinion on plays I'm in the market, and Tectonic Finance is a hot one right now that I'm loving. I'm not gonna say that I don't love earning Tonic on VVS. I'm gonna say that with my VVS, but on the VVS Finance platform. If you don't know how to do that, I do have a video in you can look it up. It says how to earn Tonic on VVS Finance, so check that video out. But all right, let's get into it. I mean, it is looking not too good right now, but it has looked all right for the day. I mean, we've been on a bit of a roller coaster, though. We will say that. I'm gonna have to let you know. But I mean, just from the beginning of launch, it does usually go down like this, though, after a project launches, so that is typical. That's not any red flag there. There's not a whole lot of red flags on this project, honestly. We have noticed that we do have a white paper. We do have a lot of good things going for this project. And let's get into some price predictions that we have from the community. Oh yeah, the bulls own Tectonic Finance. I mean, look at this. We are estimated to break that the 5026 range by the end of February. I can't disagree with it. I mean, if you look at the broader crypto market, that it is down across the board. So it's not going to be an isolated event. And at least I'm not finding one from my research that I have been doing on this project, and it has been pretty extensive. You can go on over to their website. They do have a very nice platform that you can borrow against your you can actually get liquidity from your own position, so it's very, very cool. I would definitely look into it and make sure that you are making a wise decision before taking any loans, but it is just something cool to understand, at least part of what it is involved with and why it is becoming so hot. Another thing is that it is ranked 2953, and that's huge. That's very low, so there's huge upside potential once this thing does climb into that 100 range. I'm very excited for that, and look, please let me know in the comments, once we hit that top 100 range, where do you see this project at? And for my opinion, I'm going to say at least in the 409 range or early 330s. That's my opinion on how projects like this typically do. And this project is very directly related to the crypto.com coin, which is also down right now. That's just a whole broader market thing. And that's usually happens when Bitcoin takes a dive. It usually brings everything down with it. So that's about what's going on right now with that. But if you guys want some videos on the crypto.com coin, because I do want to do these, and I actually just staked into the higher card for the crypto.com coin, so I'm ready to make some if you guys want to hear about my experience in this and hear what kind of interest I've been earning on my cards, please drop it in the comments and I will make a video on it. I think I've got a little bit of feedback, but I don't know how the community is feeling, so I would really like to know. Drop it in the comments, and you guys know you could count on me for that video. All right, I have a nice article here, and you guys are gonna like this, so get ready. What do the short-term technicals predict for Tectonic Tonic on Wednesday? 95! Yikes! Look at that. We got a 95 on the short-term technical, which is a very bullish rating. I mean, the bulls own Tonic right now. So let's get into it. Tectonic receives a strong short-term technical ranking of 95 from Investor Observer's data analysis. The proprietary ranking system focuses on the recent trading patterns over the past month to determine the strength of its short-term technicals. Tonic has a superior recent technical analysis than 95% of tokens based on these trading metrics. Investors primarily focused on shorter-term investment strategies will find this technical analysis more relevant to their goals when determining whether to invest in a particular crypto. Basically, this is saying if you are trying to swing this, then you're probably going to make some money. Not financial advice. I'm not saying that, but that is what this article is saying. Tectonic is 146% above its 30-day low of 60401, while negative 18.5% below its 30-day high of 6050121. In addition, Tonic's current price of 60989 is above its 30-day average move price of 60693. I mean, it's on the move. It's nowhere near where it was when it was on its low point, leading to a strong short-term technical score. Overall, the recent trading history of the Tectonic suggests that investors are bullish AF on the token at the moment. Tectonic's market cap of $0 is relatively low for a token. Tectonic's relatively low market value comes as it sits under $100 million, while the top 100 cryptos remain above $1 billion in market cap, and the top 500 sit above 100 million. Meanwhile, Tonic's average volume is low, with 26 million traded worth of the token over a 24-hour period. Tonic's volume is relatively low at most cryptos traded. 100 cryptos typically have 100 million exchanged each day, and smaller cryptos tend to sit under $5 million traded over a 24-hour period. Over the last 24 hours, Tonic's volume is below its usual, with 3 million traded. Okay, so yes, Tectonic's price movement over the past month has led to a strong short-term technical score due to the recent trade giving more bullish signals for traders on the token's short-term movement. Let's go. This thing is ready. It is primed and ready. I mean, I'm not a financial advisor, but I would definitely consider loading up a little baggie of this on and get ready for that moonshot, because it looks like it's about ready to take it. And I mean, once we get some positive momentum in the broader crypto market, it's really going to be game time at that point, I feel, in this project. I'm 100% bullish on Tectonic. I know that you guys know that I got in on it, but the more I realized what it was just like, wow, this thing is amazingly undervalued at the current time. I mean, these tokens do pretty well. These finance tokens do well. If you take a look at like BNB and Pancake Swap, I mean, they started pretty similar to Crow and VVS Finance, and go take a look at what they are. I mean, here, I'll show you. Cake is basically Binance's. It is their VVS Finance, and it is in the $7 range. Am I saying this is going to hit this kind of range? Probably not. But no, I'm not saying that. But I am saying that these have reached amazing potentials because of it, based on it. So let's see what we have. Let's see what we have entirely. So yeah, I mean, we had Cake starting in the 55-cent range and spiked to an all-time high of 42.59. And now it's down over here in the $7 range. Let's take a look at BNB. Very similar to what Crow has done. Let's take a look at all the data we have available, and it did start very low as Crow did, and it was trading in that 10-cent range and has exploded. I'm going to be bringing a lot more videos to do with Crow, because Crow is doing exactly what they did in order to achieve that kind of success, and hopefully they are able to replicate it. So drop it in the comments. You know what to do. Smash that like button. Let me know if you guys are liking these videos. Have you guys watched it all the way to the end? I really like the feedback because it lets me know what is going on with the subscriber. Or if you guys don't like it, I mean, drop that in the comments too. Let me know where it's confusing or that you guys don't like it, and I can work on that, because that is really what this channel is about. It's about improvement. It's about bettering ourselves, becoming better people in general. So I thank you very much, and I will catch you in the Millionaires Club soon.